Hey there, in this video I want to show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram. So first you just need to open the Instagram application on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here you just need to tap on the three horizontal line button at the top right corner to get into the settings and activity section where you will find the archive option. You just need to simply tap on archive and make sure that you have chosen this stories archive. It can be post archive, so you just need to tap on this drop down button and select the stories archive, so you get all the stories at a place that you have placed or saved it or stored it in archive section. Now you have to tap on that story that you want to archive on your Instagram account. So for example, this story I'm going to unarchive this story. So you just need to get this story here, and here you'll find the share icon. Here you just need to tap on share button and it will just let you go to the share section where you can just edit that photo and you can just share it to your Instagram post or story. So if you want to delete this date, then you can hold it and you can just drag it toward this trash icon here, and you will feel a little vibration when it on this trash icon here. So you just need to hold on it and you just release it when you feel a little vibration there, or it goes faded. So you can just make sure that if you release it, then it will go into that trash icon. That's when you have just deleted that, simply that date on time from your photos or story. So if you want to add this on your story, then you can just add it like as the full screen. Then you can just zoom it with your two finger like this, and if you want to add it to your story, re-upload on your story, then you can just tap on your story. As soon as you tap on it, it will add to your story. So that's how you can just unarchive a story on Instagram. Here you can see I have just added it right now. Just now I have just added it. Here you can see the 15 seconds ago I have just added this. So that's how you can just unarchive a story on Instagram. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.